Concept 2, using congruence to find unknown values. So when we were doing problems with similar figures, we used similarity to find missing side lengths or missing angle values. Okay, we're going to use congruence the same way, and we're going to do that by setting up our problem as an equation. Okay, congruence tells us that corresponding angles are the same and corresponding sides of congruent figures are the same, right? The same meaning equal. So what we're going to do is, if I'm trying to find what, in this case, 3x is, okay, I've got my angle A is equal to 3x, okay, and that's going to be equal to angle E. So I'm going to come over, find angle E, 60 degrees. And then I can really simply solve for x. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and x is going to be equal to 20 degrees. Okay? The biggest thing you need to do, and the thing that people get wrong most of all, is they miss their corresponding sides. Okay? So if I was going to solve for z, okay, I've got 1.5z, and I would say that's equal to 6, right? Well, that's not actually the case. It kind of looks like it is. These sides look fairly similar, all right, but they are not going to be congruent, okay? You need to go back to your congruency statement and say, okay, I'm looking for the side G to H. That's going to be right here, the last two letters of this figure. So it's going to be the last two letters of this figure, C to D. Well, that's not 6, right? C to D is 7.5. So my equation should be 1.5 Z is equal to 7.5. And then divide 1.5, divide 1.5. Z is equal to 5. Okay? So, once again, make sure that you have the right corresponding sides or angles so that you're using the right values, and set it up as an equation. Okay? Use your steps. These are mostly single-step equations. They should be fairly quick to solve, but if you get lazy and you don't write them out, it is easy to make mistakes.